Modern nature house nestled in Los Angeles' Hollywood Hills is a stunning architectural marvel that seamlessly blends contemporary design with the beauty of its natural surroundings. Perched atop the hills, this residence exudes elegance and sophistication. Its sleek lines and minimalist aesthetic perfectly complement the rugged landscape of the Hollywood Hills. From the outside, the house appears to cascade down the hillside, creating a harmonious connection with the environment. The entryway of this modern nature house in Los Angeles' Hollywood Hills is a masterful blend of functionality and style. As visitors approach the home, they are greeted by a captivating entry courtyard, meticulously landscaped with terraced gardens that gently guide them towards the glass-enclosed foyer. The entryway of this modern nature house in Los Angeles' Hollywood Hills is a masterful blend of functionality and style. As visitors approach the home, they are greeted by a captivating entry courtyard, meticulously landscaped with terraced gardens that gently guide them towards the glass-enclosed foyer. Inside, the architectural design continues to impress. Exposed Douglas fir beams add warmth and character to the space, while wide plank oak and natural limestone flooring provide a sense of luxury and comfort. The open floor plan maximizes natural light and airflow, creating a bright and airy atmosphere throughout the home. Outside, the modern nature house in Los Angeles' Hollywood Hills presents an architectural marvel that seamlessly integrates with its breathtaking surroundings. Clad in sustainably sourced charcoal-stained cedar siding and adorned with hand-pressed terracotta bricks, the exterior exudes both elegance and eco-consciousness. The pool area of this modern nature house in Los Angeles' Hollywood Hills is a captivating oasis that seamlessly merges with the surrounding landscape. Situated on the lower level, the pool area is designed to offer residents a serene and inviting space for relaxation and recreation. The floor plan of this modern nature house is carefully crafted to balance the need for privacy with the desire for connection with the natural world. From the private retreat of the upper level to the communal spaces of the middle level and the outdoor oasis of the lower level, every aspect of the layout is designed to enhance the living experience and foster a profound connection with the surrounding landscape.